So today is December 1st, so happy Vlogmas. So I am going to be participating in Vlogmas this year, so I will be filming every damn day. I get a nipple pinch. So yeah, I'll be filming every day. So this is day one of Vlogmas, and the only thing that's exciting about Vlogmas is you'll be part of my advent calendar. So first, I'm going to show you this advent calendar over here. So this is the homemade one of the year. Rusty made this from scratch and wrapped it and all beautiful and everything. And we're going to work on filling that with some goodies. And the door is all open and it's just like super cute.
No candies in them yet though, I see.
Not yet, at least, but yeah. And then, so I'm a lucky girl, and I've got a present to open today because it is December 1st. So this is my advent calendar. Sit in front of the fireplace because why not?
Turn it on for you.
Thanks. So here is my advent calendar. I'm like way too excited for this. So every day we will be opening this puppy together. So I'm ready for day one because I sure am. Let's go to sticker.
Do you need a knife?
No, I got nails.
You got nails.
Oops. That was a fail. Okay, ready? Oh, it's adorable! Okay, so we're gonna open up day one. Ooh, this looks really pretty. Looks like a little silvery, sparkly purple or something. And this is where my nails do not come in handy. It's really in there. Ah. Ooh. That's a pretty color. It's like sparkly, pinky, iridescent-y. Ooh, that's such a like pink, sparkly color. I like it so much. Yes.
Hold it up in the sun. Oh yeah, very soft.
We're just gonna
pink.
little test on my little toe because why not? Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, what a pretty color. Nice little sparkly. That's just one little coat and it's just adds a nice little sparkle.
Your nail needs to be trimmed.
I need a pedicure, guys. So yeah, that's the beginning of Vlogmas day one. We will be opening these puppies every day and yeah. So let's see what else we end up getting into for the day and follow me along and welcome to Vlogmas 2019. So just in the kitchen making some lunch. Well, I guess starting to make some lunch. It's 20 to 2. Always have a visitor. Hey, Artie. Usually Artie, Tex, whatever kitties are always here, but Artie and Tex are usually my overtime buddies. But I've just got this going, and if you ever have leftover mashed potatoes like this, I'm going to show you how to make mash browns because that's something I grew up, like my mom made for me and I loved it. And all you need is butter and frying pan, some seasoning, salt, and your potatoes. So I'm going to throw those in there. We have two different things of mashed potatoes. Okay. And this is how we take care of all the leftovers. this is our hash browns coming along. And here I'm just legit taking deli meat, frying it up. It's just black forest ham. But it's fried up, then it tastes bigger. Yummy. But yeah, these are my mashed potatoes. They are so good. So good. My favorite thing about leftover mashed. And the finished product, we have mashed browns, scrambled eggs with some cheese, and fried up ham. Yeah. So I just put all of these videos onto my computer so I can start editing. It's cooking and lingerie plus day 1 of Vlogmas, but I also got a little gift. I thought I'd show you guys. Cute little bag with a little bow up here. And my friend Faith baked us some cookies. So she's going to a bake exchange, right? And she stopped by and brought us some cookies first, so I thought that was super sweet. Okay, so now it's a bit later in the day, and I'm gonna work on the disaster I call a room. So, good focus. Yeah, I got a bit of a mess. So we're just gonna listen to music and crank away at this and try and get this a little bit clearer, get my mind a bit clearer. It's crazy. Yeah, get on this and then I'll do some editing, but yes. It's really cold. Really cold. So this is my current view. I'm just sitting on my butt. But we've got some progress. Main progress is actually right in there. I've been organizing and cleaning, but you know, we have little Crowley right here for visits. She's my little girl. It's just like I should open my energy drink. That's what I should do. I don't do energy drinks. I'm not a big fan of energy drinks. I don't like the taste, flavor, anything. But this Red Bull, the coconut edition, it's in coconut berry. And it was something, I was like, oh, kind of curious. So I decided to try it. Don't fall in my candle, that would suck. Rusty got it for me, and it was like just a small one to see if I liked it, and turns out I like it, so now I drink those energy drinks. So yeah, I also put some wigs up top there, if you can see. Those ones are already up there and stuff, but I just added those guys there. 2 of them I just actually opened, so there's that. But I just kind of want to go through my room. Like, my room's very overwhelming. I just want to continue to go through it, continue to downsize, and like get rid of old stuff. Like, the main reason I want to get rid of old stuff is like I want to get rid of old stuff so this clutter is gone. There's not as much stuff. Get rid of old stuff so I can make a profit of selling my old stuff, right? And then also use some of that profit for new stuff, you know what I mean? So, and we all know that I'm not working, so there's that. It's so crazy. It's like Christmas time, not working. But yeah, go back to cleaning. So I'm gonna take a cleaning break and I'm gonna get all pretty because I want to film a Vlogmas intro. So just came in my room to grab my makeup and stuff because I'm gonna do it up in the living room while Rusty's playing video games. But you always gotta stop for growly kisses. I love you, my little bean. Let's go for Artie kisses. Artie kisses. Where's my boy? It's a good boy. My good boy Artie. See, kitty kisses. My kitty kisses for Artie. Tummy rubs for Artie. Good boy. Okay, gonna fix this face up now. Okay, so we are all done up now, and I feel like so much better. Like, it's so crazy what just a little bit of makeup can do and, you know, be a confidence boost. So yeah, I just beat this face of mine, and now we're ready for filming. So we're having a little late night snack, and I decided to film it because it's a taste test. So good old Mickey D's. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of love McDonald's. So I got myself a sweet Thai chili McTaster. I love these things, they're so delicious. But the taste test is for their new spicy chipotle fries. Oh wow, those look warm. So I'm gonna do a taste test on these and see if I like it. And I'm a little nervous, but they smell good. So we're gonna do a first impressions of good old McDonald's new fries. I like their garlic parmesan one, so I thought why not give these ones a try. There's a little kick, but I really like the flavor. This wish there was like a spice, like a kind of a mayo-y kind of dip to go with it, and it's really hot. Whew. It's delicious, but it's got a kick. But yeah, so that's my first little impression of that. If you guys want me to do more first impressions of foods and stuff,
Look at normal fry.
yeah.
Look at that fry.
Yeah, it's like,
Do you want a sauce?
I'll get a sauce after, but yeah, if you guys want me to try more like first impressions of things, let me know if it's something you guys are interested in seeing. Then I'm totally down for first impressions. I've done a couple, so let me know what you guys think.
Bite your burger.
Why?
Come on, bite your burger.
This is my little burger.
What was it? What was it again?
The spicy Thai chicken taster.
A spicy Thai chicken McTaster. So it's probably not what they look like in the pictures because it's all squished already,
Yeah.
of course.
But it's so good.
Home.
Mm-hmm.
Ladies eat.
And I like that because even though it's a spicy Thai McTaster, it's got lettuce and mayo and some carrots and cucumber to like offset the spice. So it's actually like
A little spice on spice tonight.
lucky me. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1. I'm gonna end it here because I'm just gonna eat and kind of chill, enjoy the rest of the night, and I will edit this so I can get it up for you guys for tomorrow, and we will be on top of this for Vlogmas. So encourage me for more Vlogmas content every day, and let me know what you guys want to see for the month of December. And yeah, I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.